Imagine having a smartphone collecting dust in your drawer. It's one shiny screen now dull with neglect. But what if I told you that device can have a second life? Today, we're diving into 10 genius ways to breathe new life into your old smartphone. Trust me, you'd never look at that old forgotten device the same way again. And so without taking much of your time, yo guys, let's get started. So first is home security camera. Why shell out hundreds or thousands of dollars for a fancy security system when you've got a perfectly good camera right there in your old phone? With apps like Alfred, Manything, or IP Webcam, you can turn that dust collector into your very own surveillance system. All you have to do is install a security camera app like Alfred, Manything, or IP Webcam like I mentioned earlier on both of the devices, which is your current device and the old device. Place your old smartphone in a strategic spot like an entryway or maybe the living room, ensuring it has a clear view. Now keep that device plugged into power. And you might consider mounting it on a tripod for better coverage. Open the app on your old phone and follow the setup instructions. Now connect the app on your current phone to your old phone to view the live feed anytime, anywhere. Using your old phone as a security camera is cost-effective and also an eco-friendly solution. Secondly, you can turn your old device into a wireless mouse for your computer. It's perfect for controlling your computer from a distance, especially when you're watching movies or listening to music. And here's how to go about that. Download the Remote Mouse app from remotemouse.net. Now install the Remote Mouse app on your desktop, which could be Windows or Mac. Ensure both devices are connected on the same Wi-Fi network. Open the app on your smartphone to connect to the computer and start using it as a mouse. When your fingers are too lazy, your old phone becomes your new crazy. I rhymed it. By the way, some advanced features might require you to cough up some cash, but the basic functionality is free and fabulous. Why spend money on a digital photo frame when your old smartphone can do the job perfectly? Apps like Digital Photo Frame Slideshow can display a continuous slideshow of your favorite memories, turning your old device into a dynamic piece of decor. Imagine having a rotating gallery of your favorite photos right on your desk or bedside table. It's like having your own personal art exhibition at home. To get started, simply download one of these apps and select the photos you want to display. You can add effects and transitions to make your slideshow more engaging. Place your phone in a stylish stand or frame that matches your decor at home for an added touch of elegance. Suddenly, your old phone isn't just sitting in a drawer, it's now a centerpiece of your home decor. Now, the fourth thing here would be to convert your old phone into a wireless webcam. Your old phone can also serve as a high-quality webcam for your computer, which is especially useful for remote work or virtual meetings. Free software like Droidcam and EpochCam, if that's the way to pronounce it, can turn your old device into a webcam with ease. No need to buy an expensive new camera. And here's how to go about that. Download the Droidcam or EpochCam app on your smartphone and also the companion software on your computer. Connect your smartphone and your computer on either Wi-Fi or USB. Follow the setup instructions to link these two devices. Now you have a portable webcam that you can position anywhere for the best angle. If you need to grab a coffee during a meeting, no problem. You can take your smartphone or the portable webcam with you and stay connected on the go. Plus, using your old phone as a webcam can also give you flexibility to use features like zoom and focus, making your virtual presence more professional and dynamic. So if you've been struggling with a low-quality built-in webcam or don't have one at all, repurpose your old smartphone and take your video calls to the next level. So the fifth thing here would be to turn your old smartphone into a dashcam. Crazy and dangerous things can happen while driving, and having video evidence can vindicate you or the other driver. I mean, who knows? Instead of buying a dashcam, you can use your old device for free. Well, the only thing you need to spend money on would be those suction cup mounts in your car, and you're good to go. You can go into your app store and search for dashcam, and you should see a lot of options there. Click on the one you want, set it up, and you're good to go. Droid's Dashcam video recorder seems like a solid choice for a lot of Android users. On screen, you can see the speed you're traveling on, your address, the satellite, GPS, night and day mode, camera options to take a quick photo of the road, and the record button to get started. Just remember to keep your smartphone charged while running this software. If you're loving this video so far, why not hit on that subscribe button and also hit on the like button, as that helps us a bunch. Thank you. Now you can convert your old phone into a cheap alarm clock. Smart displays like Echo Show can help you manage your time, but not everyone wants a microphone in their bedroom. Instead, turn your old smartphone's display into an alarm clock that hopefully won't spy on you. All you have to do is set an alarm in the clock app of your iPhone or Android device, or download an alarm clock app, and then place the smartphone on a stand, hook it up to power, and you're good to go. For iPhones with iOS 17, standby mode will turn your device into a bedside clock display, helping you reduce screen time before bed. Now let's talk about the next point here, the next thing you can do with your old smartphone, and that would be a backup TV remote. Now, losing your TV remote just when your favorite show is about to start can be really annoying, but there's an easy fix here. You can use your old smartphone as a backup remote control. Instead of letting your old phone sit in a drawer, you can turn it into a TV remote by downloading a remote control app and syncing it with your TV. If your TV has one of those old IR remotes, a smartphone with an IR blaster can be used as well for this purpose. So next time you can't find your remote control, just grab your smartphone, the old smartphone, and enjoy your show without missing a bit. Now the next thing here would be to use your old smartphone as Google Home Assistant. Why spend a lot of money on a new Google Home Hub when you can turn your old device into a smart assistant for free? Your old smartphone can do almost everything a Google Home device can, from answering questions and setting alarms to playing your favorite tunes. Plus, it's a great way to make sure your old device still has a purpose. So here's how to transform your old smartphone into a smart assistant. First off, mount it by placing your old smartphone on a stand to keep it steady and easily accessible. The next thing you have to do is enable voice detection, which can be done by going into your Google app on Android devices. Go to settings and then voice and enable OK Google detection. This will allow for your smartphone to respond to voice commands. Now the next thing you have to do is plug it in or keep your device plugged in to a power source so it stays charged and ready to assist you at any moment. Now once you set this up, your old smartphone can act as a personal assistant in various rooms. Imagine having a smart assistant in your kitchen to help you with recipes, or in your bedroom to set alarms and play relaxing music. You can also connect it to a speaker for better sound quality, making it perfect for parties or just enjoying your favorite playlists. Now the ninth point here would be turning your smartphone, the old one, into a GPS tracker. Now repurposing your old smartphone into a GPS tracker can be super handy. You know how smartphones nowadays have GPS, right? Well, you can use the GPS feature to keep track of things that matter to you, and here's how. First off, you can download an app like Life 360, My Family GPS Tracker, or Glimpse onto your smartphone, the old one. These apps will let you tell where your kids are, the family members who have this connected, or your pets are at any time. It's like having a digital eye on them, which can be comforting, especially if you're out and about. Just make sure to leave the old phone on them. Now let's talk about your car. Instead of buying a separate GPS device, you can repurpose your old device as a navigator. All you have to do is go download a navigation app like Google Maps and then pop your old smartphone onto a mount in your car, and you've got yourself a GPS navigator without spending extra money. So your old smartphone can now do more than just make calls, send texts, or sit in that drawer. It becomes a useful tool that helps you stay connected and navigate the world around you. Last but not the least, recycle properly. When your smartphone is beyond repair, recycling it properly is crucial. Throwing your old smartphone in trash isn't that great an idea, and that's because electronics contain valuable metals and also some harmful chemicals. Look for places that specialize in recycling electronics. They know how to take these phones apart safely and get rid of the toxic waste. Or there are some other stores that can have programs where you can drop off these old devices for recycling, and sometimes they might even give you a little reward like discounts on a new phone or a smartphone accessory. So, if you have an old smartphone lying around, why not give one of these ideas a try? You'll be putting your old device to good use and maybe even saving some money in the process. By the way, YouTube thinks you might like this video. Catch you guys in the next one. Cuidate.